Hey y'all, it's Cliff with Jam Mechanic Scale Modeling. Got another bench update. Well, actually, kind of more of a completion. So, we got the super trailer done. Yeah. Got it somewhat hooked up behind that other truck, that 48. And there it is. On the trailer is the Mustang, which I'll cover that here in a few minutes. Come on down and get around the level. Oh, actually, let me wheel this guy down the ramp. Hey, it works. So, we got the box built, which is going to stay in the front. We got some cool lights on the front because I'm not using the plastic piece. I got my mag wheels mounted. I got the ramps on the back. They're blue. Kind of went with a American patriotic red, white, and blue theme. I have not attached the cabinet, but the cabinet's on there and works. Got some wear marks. Just, want it to be a real trailer. I mean, hell, most trailers and stuff like that, have wear marks from things going. It's not one of them sitting pretty trailers. I use my shit for work. I'm all about function. So we got this side and took that thing, the three light bar that's supposed to go on the top, and I just put that on the back at the bottom. Kind of outline the frame a little bit. Just some black kind of rubberized undercoating, kind of. Wouldn't say it's super pretty, but like I said, it's functional. It's a used trailer, as you can tell, where people have gotten close and rubbed stuff along the, side of it and whatnot. The cabinet, like I said, that does open up, but it is still a little sticky. But that normally just sits up there, and we got the ramps that hook right up. Just like so. And we'll take the Mustang and go whoop, and boom. Oh, hits the toolbox, dents the toolbox. So yeah, there's that. This wasn't too bad. Like I said, I like to make my stuff as realistic as possible. So we'll get this out of the way, the 48. I can go sit over there. And this one can just kind of set here. And we have got the Mustang. Interior's done from the last update. Got the core support done, battery mounted. I got to detail that a little bit. I got the firewall done. That's, well, not too bad. It's kind of colorful, but it's not. We got the engine mounted. Went with white with the chrome on the air filter, stripped the chrome off it, and got that. Went with the polyglass tires. There's the underside with the engine in it. I made sure I painted everything to match. And the axle's kind of held in there by the engine, and for some reason it looks like the engine's offset a little bit. I don't know. I painted these like a rust color just to kind of simulate like the real deal. So like I said, on the Mustang, we got a rolling chassis. I'm not going to be handling the body right away because I actually finally got kapow. We got some nice gloss on it. I'm not going to touch it. Where the hell did my tweezers go? Drag it out here a little bit. So I'm not touching it. I'm not touching it. Not touching it. Got a nice little gloss on it. Let me pull out the phone here and turn the flashlight on it. Not too bad. Like I said, it's got one or two small little flaws in it. You can see the dead bugs. Well, I don't know if they're dead, but they landed in there while I was outside because I have not made a paint booth yet. But like I said, overall it looks pretty good. I'm sure it would have probably come out a little better if I had it in a, you know, like an actual box and stuff like that. But sometimes you do what you got and you deal with it. So that right there is the update on bench. We'll probably do a little bit of work to the W900 a little bit later on tonight. We'll see. And yeah, so this Cliff with Giant Mechanic Scale Modeling with the update on the bench. Enjoy and keep on modeling.